Hey YouTube, what's good? What's poppin'? What's happening, gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Dakota, and if you guys do know me, then welcome back, gang. If you're not a part of that gang, then go subscribe to join, and that's what that's on, period. Today I'm gonna be revamping a wig. Of course, we're gonna be doing this to my little Amazon wig, the curly deep wave wig. I just bleach bathed it, and it came out this color, like a light brownish. Sometimes it shows up red, sometimes it shows up brown, but it ultimately was not the color I was going for. I didn't go through it section by section and bleach each section, so it didn't come out as light as I wanted to. But I had also purchased a ginger colored dye. I always use Kiss dye. If you guys haven't seen my last dyeing process, I did a red wig. It's a few videos back. I'm hoping that it comes out perfectly because I plan on wearing this for my cousin's baby shower. But I'll definitely be putting in the install at the end of this video. I don't want to talk too much because I do have to bleach, dye, and blow dry this wig out, and it's 9 o'clock right now. I have school tomorrow and I also have work, so we're gonna get into this process, and without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, YouTube, we're gonna get right into it. I got Quick Blue L'Oreal bleach, and I got a 30 volume developer. I would recommend 30 volume developer for any bleaching process of black or brown hair and you're trying to get it light enough to put a color over it. If you're trying to do red, pink, blue, you want a 30 volume developer. It'll give you an orange tint, but it'll be light enough to put color over. I used 4 scoops of bleach, and then I just matched my developer with the bleach, so I probably poured about 4 scoops of developer as well. And then I did make another bowl, which you guys are gonna see. I mixed it up to a good consistency. You don't want your bleach as watery as yogurt, but you don't want it as thick as peanut butter. You know, I got that tip from Brad Mondo, period. And I'd be more than honored if Brad Mondo was watching my video right now, but I highly doubt it because YouTube never want to monetize me. Here you guys are just gonna see me mixing and mixing some more to make sure it's the right consistency. Then we're gonna get them gloves because stop getting the bleach on your skin, babe. It's not a trend, it's not cute. We're not about to do that. Now I'm gonna be taking my bleach consistency to my roots. When I first did a bleach bath on this wig, I did not touch the roots specifically, so I know they're gonna need them if they're gonna blend with the rest of the wig.
I told the music for my pain so she comprehend.
My bleaching method is completely out of pocket. I do things how I want to, and that's what you guys are going to see right here, right now in this video, because I am not about to go through this hair piece by piece. I'm just going to be running like I would run deep conditioner through my own hair. I'm going to make sure it's thoroughly ran through, and then you guys are going to see me come back and do another layer after I waited about 40 minutes. I hopped in a shower. Because I knew this method would leave a lot of splotching, I had to do a second layer over it, but I didn't want to wash it out because putting bleach over wet hair actually protects the hair from having a great effect from the bleach, and it will still leave more spotching. So I just sat it there and then came back and did another layer, and you guys are gonna see that. But before I go and I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video, don't do as I do as you see. So if you need to go through that wig piece by piece with sections and get it all the way covered, I've done this too many times, so I just knew where it would need more bleach and how much. Yeah, I know when I turned that wig, you guys could see that the wig is brightening. It's getting so light, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final product. But I'm gonna let you guys go and just watch the rest of this tutorial. I may come back, talk some more. I know y'all wanna hear me talk. And other than that, tune into the Instagram at BrazyBrain because the pictures are already uploaded. I know you guys wanna see the final result. If you're watching to see how to achieve this look, stay tuned to the very end, because when I say I snapped, I mean I snapped, girl.
Pain and every thought was word up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Yeah, I'm really lost, and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me. She posing in all these photos. She different when she texting. I'm guessing she not a whole dope. Having conversations.
Okay, so now it's time for my second bowl of bleach. I poured about 2 scoops and the rest of my developer in here. I'm going to be going throughout the wig and doing a second coat of bleaching just in the spots that I see didn't get as light as the others. And then I'm going to rinse the wig in hot water, and I'm going to shampoo and condition. I'm using Tresemme shampoo, and I'm using VO5 conditioner because I always use VO5 for my own head. After giving the wig a thorough wash, I'm going to rinse it all out with some steaming hot water. And then you guys are going to see me put the color over the hair just like how I put the bleach on. Me personally, I do like this method way better because it makes the color more vibrant on the hair opposed to water dyeing it. And then once I'm done with all of that, I'm going to rinse everything out with some cold water, and I'm going to blow dry the wig out, and I'll get back with you guys once I do all of that.
She acting different when she texting, I don't understand. She told me she was really hurting, so I took her in. I tried to help her and told her different, I don't pretend. She said a lot of shit was hurtful, she don't understand. I told her she is not alone, girl, I understand. Just because he did you wrong, it won't be again. Yeah, she was like the type to keep her distance. She don't wanna get that close because she learned her lesson. I'm in the life, I'm a helper, so I'ma be a blessing. Different person in person and different person texting. She asked a question, she asked her how she can stop the stressing. I give advice, it could help, but I guess she wasn't catching. Every pain and every thought was wrote up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Damn, I'm really lost and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me, she posing in all these photos. She different when she texting, I'm guessing she not the whole dope. Having conversations, I'm thinking she get the flow dope. I'm thinking about relations, but taking it really slow though. Who my favorite artist? I told her really I don't know. I wanna make some music, she told me I'm gonna go pro. Yeah, she supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah, yeah, why I keep on playing. She supported, she telling me she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. Yeah. She acting different when she texting, I don't understand. She told me she was really hurting, so I took her in. I tried to help her and told her different, I don't pretend. She said a lot of shit was hurtful, she don't understand. I told her she is not alone, girl, I understand. Just because he did you wrong, it won't be again. Yeah, she was like the type to keep her distance. She don't wanna get that close because she learned her lesson. I'm in the life, I'm a helper, so I'ma be a blessing. Different person in person and different person texting. She asked a question, she asked her how she can stop the stressing. I give advice, it could help, but I guess she wasn't catching. Every pain and every thought was wrote up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Damn, I'm really lost and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me, she posing in all these photos. She different when she texting, I'm guessing she not the whole dope. Having conversations, I'm thinking she get the flow dope. I'm thinking about relations, but taking it really slow though. Who my favorite artist? I told her really I don't know. I wanna make some music, she told me I'm gonna go pro. Yeah, she supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah, yeah, why I keep on playing. She supported, she telling me she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it.
This is the final result. After I blow dried, dyed, it's definitely giving ginger in the root for some reason though. It did not want to get as light. The front hairline turned out perfect, which is actually going to help the wig come together. The hairline looks a little thin right now because I'm going to have to trim it up. I'm loving this ginger color and I am going to straighten the wig once I install it. I am aware that my dyeing process probably is not the best dyeing process, which is why I did one bleaching process and then I went back in and touched up the spots that I seen was completely not lightening. I absolutely cannot wait to see this ginger wig on my head until I install this wig in about 2 weeks. I do have knotless braids right now. Zero bald spots. I also bleached my knots, so now it is definitely giving scalp. So I'll see you guys when it's time to install this wig. Okay, let's get into this install process. You guys already know every time I put a wig on my head, I bodies it. So I'm not going to be showing you guys that whole process. I do have it on my channel on my prior video. So if you do want to see it, go tune in to the first installment of this wig. This is just a revamping. So you guys are going to watch how I turn up on it. And I put this wig on and then I customized it and did the whole curl look 2 days later because I was very lazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but the way this did come out, it was so cute, and I did only keep it on my head for a couple days. So when you see my next video and I have a new hairstyle, just mind your business. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I tried to make this tutorial as understandable and easy as I could because I know my process can be a bit dysfunctional, but I feel like this method everybody could follow and it's really easy, less complicated than a lot of the processes. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at Brennan Dakota and Brazy Brand because you know your girl is always on there popping her stuff with the looks.
Yeah. She supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah, yeah, why I keep on playing. She supported, she telling me she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. Yeah. She acting different when she texting, I don't understand. She told me she was really hurting, so I took her in. I tried to help her and told her different, I don't pretend. She said a lot of shit was hurtful, she don't understand. I told her she is not alone, girl, I understand. Just because he did you wrong, it won't be again. Yeah, she was like the type to keep her distance. She don't wanna get that close because she learned her lesson. I'm in the life, I'm a helper, so I'ma be a blessing. Different person in person and different person texting. She asked a question, she asked her how she can stop the stressing. I give advice, it could help, but I guess she wasn't catching. Every pain and every thought was wrote up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Damn, I'm really lost and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me, she posing in all these photos. She different when she texting, I'm guessing she not the whole dope. Having conversations, I'm thinking she get the flow dope. I'm thinking about relations, but taking it really slow though. Who my favorite artist? I told her really I don't know. I wanna make some music, she told me I'm gonna go pro. Yeah, she supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah, yeah, why I keep on playing. She supported, she telling me she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. Yeah. She acting different when she texting, I don't understand. She told me she was really hurting, so I took her in. I tried to help her and told her different, I don't pretend. She said a lot of shit was hurtful, she don't understand. I told her she is not alone, girl, I understand. Just because he did you wrong, it won't be again. Yeah, she was like the type to keep her distance. She don't wanna get that close because she learned her lesson. I'm in the life, I'm a helper, so I'ma be a blessing. different person in person and different person texting. She asked her questions, she asked her how she can stop stressing. I give advice, it could help, but I guess she wasn't catching. Every pain and every thought was wrote up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Damn, I'm really lost and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me, she posing in all these photos. She different when she texting, I'm guessing she not the whole dope. Having conversations, I'm thinking she get the flow dope. I'm thinking about relations, but taking it really slow though. Who my favorite artist? I told her really I don't know. I wanna make some music, she told me I'm gonna go pro. Yeah, she supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah, yeah, why I keep on playing. She supported, she telling me she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. Yeah. She acting different when she texting, I don't understand. She told me she was really hurting, so I took her in. I tried to help her and told her different, I don't pretend. She said a lot of shit was hurtful, she don't understand. I told her she is not alone, girl, I understand. Just because he did you wrong, it won't be again. Damn, she was like the type to keep her distance. She don't wanna get that close because she learned her lesson. I'm in the life, I'm a helper, so I'ma be a blessing. Different person in person and different person texting. She asked her questions, she asked her how she can stop stressing. I give advice, it could help, but I guess she wasn't catching. Every pain and every thought was wrote up in that message. It felt like I was a fool, so I just stopped texting. Damn, I'm really lost and then I don't know. She told me that she missed me, she posing in all these photos. She different when she texting, I'm guessing she not the whole dope. Having conversations, I'm thinking she get the flow dope. I'm thinking about relations, but taking it really slow though. Who my favorite artist? I told her really I don't know. I wanna make some music, she told me I'm gonna go pro. Yeah, she supported, she my first fan. She told me why I'm not making it, cause I keep on playing. I told her music for my pain, so she comprehend. I told her music really helped me, I do not pretend. Yeah, yeah, cause I don't pretend. Yeah, yeah, she my first fan. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the final product. I've installed the wig. I installed it about 2 or 3 days ago, but I was really lazy and I didn't want to curl it or anything. So I also know I had to record a video and I was in the middle of work, school, and all the extra stuff. So it's Saturday and the girl decided to finally put the look together. I know y'all know it's giving what it needed gave. The edges is not that pretty, but I will be adding some more concealer on there. I just have to get a different color when I go to work today. Other than that, I love this ginger look. I love the color. I love how it can turn out. I'm so happy that I did dye this wig, and this is gonna be super cute for my cousin's baby shower. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for my next wig install or dye or whatever I got going on. And I'll see you guys next time on my very next video. Bye, babies.